For my project, I am doing the tablecloth and the glass experiment. This is an example of force and acceleration, F equals ma. I will be using a glass and a cloth, but actually we'll be using the water bottle instead because it's safer. Okay, so first off, you're going to want to make sure your cloth has no rough edges and it's smooth at the end. And then you're going to want to make sure you have a flat surface to lay it on also. So for the first few experiments, I'm going to be showing how this does not work and ways to do it wrong. Okay, so the first one will be pulling slowly. The bottle will come along, so you're going to put it like in the center-ish, and then you're going to pull it pretty slowly like this, and it falls. Okay, it falls because the friction isn't fast enough and like the water bottle will just go with it. You want the friction to be fast enough where the bottle doesn't have enough time to speed up. The second example is pulling slightly faster so it will fall. Okay, so you're going to set it in the same place and you're just going to pull like that. Okay, the reason it falls is because the friction was given too much time and long enough time to work. You want to like not have it in the center because then you give the cloth too much space between the water bottle and the water bottle has too much time to speed up and will just fall. And the third experiment will be pulling it, but you're going to pull it up with your wrist instead of facing down, which you'd want to do, and you're going to go like this. So it falls because you're going to want to move your cloth horizontally and down to the ground with your wrist cocked up like this. And then the fourth experiment is you're going to be setting the bottle in the center of your cloth, and you're going to be pulling it fast like this. So like, the reason it falls is there was too long of friction to act and it speeds up too much. And you want to have your wrist down instead of like sideways, and you don't want to pull from the center because once again there's too much time for the water bottle to speed up from the friction of the cloth. Finally, the right way to do it is you're going to set your cloth like right here, and then you're going to put your bottle towards the top because you want to have as little time for the water bottle to speed up as possible. You're going to want to make sure your cloth has like as little wrinkles as it can in it. Scrunch it up towards the end, cock your wrist up, get down low, and then you're going to go like that. That happens because the tablecloth accelerates in a short amount of time, and then the friction from the table slows down. Okay. Now finally, I will be doing an example with the glass. You're going to do the exact same way as you did before with the water bottle, by setting it towards the back end of the cloth, rolling it up, cocking your wrist back, making sure there's no wrinkles, down low.